More than half of Americans are afraid of going to the dentist simply because they're not comfortable. Some of us are actually truly afraid, anxious, and well, that can put a little bit of fear in our hearts. But you don't have to live that way. This next segment has been sponsored by Troy Family Dental, located in Troy, Illinois. They specialize in sedation dentistry and dental implants. And joining me today are Dr. Richard Boatman as well as Dr. Jordan Spencer. Docs, thanks so much for being here with us today.
Great to be here.
Absolutely. And now you guys are the pros. You're really good at what you do. But let's talk about some of those dental implants. That's your specialty. What are the different kinds of dental implants that you offer at Troy Family Dental in Troy, Illinois?
Sure. Well, a lot of people know us for our mini dental implants, which we've done for a long time, but what I think a lot of people don't realize is we do just as many traditional implants as we do mini implants, and there's a little bit of a difference. The mini implants are much smaller. There are different applications for those, less invasive. They work really well, but there are a lot of people that need traditional implants that work really well. If you take out a single tooth, you have a socket right there, you just drop the implant in, let it start to heal. There are a lot of people who don't want anything that comes in or out. So you place some traditional implants, you can screw the prosthesis onto the implants, and they have a natural smile again in one day.
Is that the big difference between the mini dental implants and the traditional implants?
It is. It's a more permanent one. But Dr. Spencer can go into the applications.
Nice. How do you actually install or place these implants into someone's mouth?
Well, I'll give you an example. So this is a lower denture here. A normal lower denture will just rock around. But this is an example of what a mini implant looks like. And it's a small implant, non-invasive, very small, has a ball on it. And then we can put actually an attachment into the denture and then allow that to snap into place. So that's a really good example for a mini implant denture. A traditional implant situation would be when we can actually put traditional implants in and then we can take a porcelain bridge and screw that in. So that does not come in and out. This is the closest you'll get to feeling like it's your own teeth again.
Now that's pretty cool. What is the maintenance like on the traditional implants?
Well, for this, you come back once a year and we can take it out and clean it and then put it back in. That's
so
it.
Easy.
Yeah, that's it. You don't have to take it out in and out.
I like that. I like that. Now, not only do you guys specialize in implants, but also sedation dentistry. And I just mentioned that so many people are afraid of coming to the dentist, but you guys have a solution for that.
We do a lot of other things. Also, we do a lot of full arch reconstructions for people with their natural teeth. A lot of people, they just don't want to be awake for the sights and the sounds. So we can place a small IV in their hand. We have a couple of CRNAs that work for us. They lay back, take a little nap, and they can get everything finished while they're sleeping.
Nice. That sounds amazing, right? Getting your dental work done, taking a quick little nap. Now we're actually watching someone install these dental implants, and by someone, I mean you, Dr. Spencer. But this is also Yomi. Tell us a little bit more about Yomi and how Yomi is working with you guys as the dentist to install implants into clients or patients' mouths.
Yeah, so what you're looking at is the Yomi robot. We're actually the first general dentist in Illinois to use it. We program where we want the implant to be on the CT and on the robotic software. And then exactly the implant placement, and then the arm will guide us basically into that exact location. The robot is not placing the implant, we are, but it's not letting us change the angle or the depth, so it goes exactly in the exact spot that we plan for it to go. So it's very accurate. It's less invasive too because we don't have to open up the gums, and you know, so there's less pain, less healing after. We just go right into the spot where the implant needs. And so it's very accurate.
That is pretty cool.
Yeah.
Technology, right? Yeah. You gotta love technology. Well, St. Louis, if you're at home, you're watching, and you feel like you might be a great candidate for a traditional implant, look no further than Troy Family Dental in Troy, Illinois. Not only do they specialize in implants, traditional implants, and mini dental implants, but also sedation dentistry as well. You can head online to their website at troyfamilydental.com, or you can simply pick up the phone and give them a call at 618-623-4094. And again, it is Troy Family Dental in Troy, Illinois. You can find them online, and all of their social media handles are right there, as well as their website at troyfamilydental.com.